We are going to learn the software definition network SDN, how a network control manager and an entire network centrally. The traditional network configure each device manually, but SDN introduced the central control that controls all of that one. Intelligent network management. This is one of the aim of the experiment is using the network management using the SDN control to observe the centralized control and monitoring. What is an SDN? Software defined network is a modern network architecture where the control logic is centralized. In the SDN architecture, it has a three layers. First one is application layer, control layer, and the infrastructure layer. Application layer where the network application and the policies are there, and the control layer is a controller that is the brain of the network. Example, the network controller, PT controller. Okay. In the infrastructure layers, switches, routers are all there. The topology explanation. First, the PC0 and the PC1 are the networks which has IPv configuration of. Wait, I will show this one. It has IPv configuration of this one, and also this have IPv configuration. IP configuration of this, and the PC6 and the PC7 also have IPv configuration of the same. And the one centralized servers that control all the managing switch, and the router becomes a both network. The communication flow is the PC to the switch, and the switch to the router, and the switch to the SDN control. SDN controller is basically on the switch. The component used is the router ISR 4331 and the multiple switches 2960 and the PC and the PT controller. First, to configure the addressing for the network 1, the PC on this all this they are given that one, and the router configuration we want to put the code inside the router. That the code I can explain simply. First we want to give enable and configure terminal and interface G0 0./1 and we have application corner no shutdown. This is for zeros. G0/0 for G0/1 we want to give another one IPv address and no shutdown we want to give, and we want to configure the SDN. The PT controller we want to go to configuration tab and we want to enable the service, and we want to enable the service of all. Wait, I can show that one. Yeah, in this, and to connect switches to the controller, then open switch, go to SDN controller settings, enable a control IPv flow, and we want to in this we want to enable all of this one, and enable the open flow and the SDN. In this we want to give in the settings we want to give. And step 5 is the network monitoring. From the controller dashboard you can see the view the topology. Automatically we can view the topology, monitor traffic, and checks the device status and apply the policy. How the SDN works, I can explain it simply. First on the PC sends a packet, switch as controller how to forward the packet, and controller instead of forwarding the rules switches forward traffic automatically. The future packets follows a installed rule. This is known as intelligence forwarding. Step C, we can testing using the from PC0 the ping is 192.168.2.10. It is ping is successful, it is working. Communication, the verification checks the controller topology view, connected device list, and the traffic status. All the device should appear under the control management. The observation table we can see that it is I have tested before the connection, all have is successful. Wait, we can see this one, drag, we can see, yeah, it has all been successful. And the result of this experiment is that the network management using an SDN controller was successfully implemented, and a controller centrally monitored and controller network device, simplify configuration, improve network efficiency. Thank you. In this experiment we learned that SDN architecture, the role of the SDN controller, centralized network management, automatically device discovery, and the modern programming network concept. Thank you.